Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today I'll be solving question 2785, sort vowels in a string. Let's read the description, go over the examples, then I'll go over the description in my own words and then solve the problem. Given a zero-indexed string s, permute s to have a new string such that t such that all constants remain in their original place. More formally, and it goes into a little explanation that basically if a character of I is a constant, then it should be placed the same in the resulting string t and the input string s. And then vowels, on the other hand, must be sorted in a non-decreasing order of the ASCII values. Non-decreasing simply means increasing. I don't know why they went into that detail, but yeah. And one small detail also, in the ASCII table, the capital letters precede the lowercase letters. So it goes capital A through capital Z to lowercase a through lowercase z, meaning that capital Z is actually smaller in the order of the ASCII table than lowercase a. Just a fun fact. And you can also look this up on the internet. There's a table that shows this. So return the resulting string vowels a, e, I, o, u. And they can appear in lowercase or uppercase, are sorted in the resulting string. And then we have some examples. Leetcode with some capital letters. We have L, E, O, T, C, E, D, E. E and O are sorted, and they're also precede the lowercase characters. Awesome. And yeah, and the constants are the same. Same goes for this example, where nothing changes. So we can have a pretty large string, which means that we probably don't want to do this in place. We want to have some intermediate data structure where we store these sorted arrays, and we don't need to sort this manually. There are plenty of sorting algorithms already in Python. So what I propose that we do is we extract all the vowels from the input string and pair them with their indices. Then we can sort them, meaning that at that point we'll have a data structure where we know exactly which vowels have been extracted and their original place. Once we know that, we want to recreate the output string with a sorted version of the vowels. So the constants are going to stay the same, and we can do that by simply iterating over the new string and figuring out if a character is a vowel or a constant, and outputting the resulting string after we create it. So I'm going to create a set of vowels A, E, I, O, and U, and also do the same thing for the constants A, E, I, O, U. Cool. Now I want a data structure where I can store the vowel and its index, char indx pair. It's just going to be a string for I, C in enumerate s. I'm going to say char indx pair append. Okay, what do I want? I want the character to be first because actually I'm going to be sorting by it. Quick note: when you sort a array of tuples, the sorting happens on the first index, and in this case it's going to be the character, which automatically gets sorted. Let me now print the sorted version of this. the sorted version of this array, and I should see that E, O, C, oops, what I did completely forget, if C in vowels, only then add, and now we should see something like E, O, E, 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 O, E, E. Perfect, that just means that we have everything right. And now we want to recreate T. T is our resulting string. Let me create it initially as just an array, and then I'll join it over an empty string for, let's see, for I in range len s, I want to see if I is, if I quick thought, I want to now reconstruct it, and the reconstruction I want to happen by me first checking if the character that originally was there was or needs to be replaced. The way that I can do that is have another chars to replace. Have this be a set and simply add I to it. If I in this place, then T append the sorted version of, I also need the sorted version of chars to replace at I in dx. Else, I want to T append, what do I want to append? I want to append the character that was always there, so S at I. Return join, or what, wait, was it this? Join T or T join? Set is not subscribable. Set is not subscribable, but this is not a set. Chars to replace. What I wanted here is chars to index pair. And this guy, tuple found, join. Okay. I actually don't know how to join a, I could always just map. Let's see if I can do this. Join map T lambda x the 0th and T. So I just removed the later, and that didn't work. What am I doing wrong? Output T E E. Okay, just another quick approach. Let me have this actually just be a string. I don't want to do this fancy plus equals Ti, and also have this plus equals Ti. Don't want to do any of that. I want to here append the character and here append the string. I should be fine. If I in chars to replace, what am I adding here? I'm adding here the correct I index, and if I in range, then if I in the characters to replace, oh, I forgot to increment the index, because what I'm doing here is I'm once I've sorted the characters that I want to replace, I want to obviously move forward with the things that I'm adding. And yep, there we go. Okay, day one, once again. We're doing pretty well. Not super, but A, E, I, O, U. Let's look at what these guys are doing. Jars to replace key. Nothing much cleaner, but the same approach. Oh, I like this. I didn't know that you're able to A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. Sort. Yeah, but this is nothing crazy. This is the same solution pretty much with some modifications. Are they doing the index here? How did they figure out in which case to replace? Oh, they just figured out by looking at the... Okay, let's try this quick. Besides that, I like this. I never knew that you're able to do this. Vowels. We actually don't want a pair at all. We just want this character. We probably still want this. And for I and character in enumerate S, if C in vowels, then replace. And charge to replace. Am I still using this? I'm not, so that's why I didn't see it there. So this should also work. Also exact same solution, pretty much. No change in the structure of the solution, but probably a bit faster, and actually significantly faster. Now we're in the 51st percentile, 52nd. So yeah, I guess I like this more. Cool. Well, yep, this is better, and definitely use this instead of what I initially wrote. With that, let's end it here. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.